Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this fresh trade that we just got. This is a 2011 Cobalt 232 WSS for Wake Surf Series. A water sports series, guys. Beautiful boat, guys. Full black side hull, nice stainless rub rail, nice integrated docking lights on this boat. This trailer is not included, but we can offer local delivery to one of our lakes. We can also attach a trailer to this deal if you would like as well. With that said, guys, let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, looking at the transom, you'll see a nice big swim platform associated with the water sports series. This is also submersible. You'll see the dual stainless steel counter-rotating props, all in great shape. Let's climb aboard. Welcome aboard the Cobalt, guys. As you'll see up here in the bow, plenty of nice long seating perfect for stretching out, with also storage indicated under both of these seats. Cup holders, speakers up front, nice anchor locker on the very front of the bow. Walk-through windshield, has an air dam door for closing off the wind. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see all your clusters, all your switches. This boat's got right at approximately 175 hours. Beautiful boat, side-by-side captain's chairs with twin bolsters, in-the-floor storage. And of course, this is the Volvo 5.7, 320 horsepower engine. Guys, great boat. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.